Alright, so this is going to be a dirt bike review. What do we got? What is this?
Me?
Yeah, you. Hello.
2021 X-Pro Storm
125 cc.
cc 4-stroke.
Yup. Go ahead and start it, big guy. By the way, he downshifted and it's a neutral. This bike here doesn't have a clutch. So all the way down is neutral. So it is a little difficult to start. Runs great. Suspension's pretty smooth. We've had it for about a month now. I would recommend changing out the carburetor. The carburetor that it comes with is complete garbage. Not quite sure what this hose is for, but we made a hole for it since the last filter had one. This is your choke. There's your fuel. It comes with a little tool bag. Also comes with a title, some other paperwork. So take it for a ride. He got this bike for his birthday so he can keep up with me on my 2002 Kawasaki KX125 2-stroke. Yeah, she's beautiful. There you go. 4 gears up, all the way down is neutral. It's really loud. It had a spark restrictor when he bought it, or when I bought it for him. And then after riding it for a while, it kind of just flew out. And that is the KX. No, not KX. That's a KX. This is an X-Pro Storm Amazon bike. Please, when you buy it, change the carb. Just change the carburetor. Change the carburetor. Change the carburetor. I'll put the link of the carburetor that I bought for it in the description. So we've had it for about a month now. Runs great. After the carb, huge difference. Oh, I also put, a professional vent tube, and the bleeder's up here in the front because the other one that it came with kind of fell off. Also tighten all the nuts and bolts on it. Check the brakes, make sure they all work. Make sure the tension on the chain's good. Other than that, this is a pretty badass bike. It does pretty good on fuel. We've rode for about 6 hours before we had to fill it up. So, does pretty good on fuel. Great tires. Suspension's got a good ride to it. Yes, please change the carb out. The factory carb it comes with is garbage. Change it out, you'll notice a huge difference. So, there you go, guys. What do you think, Bentley?
I like it. I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll probably grow out of it soon. I did notice it was a little bit smaller than usual, but there's a step up. There is the adult version of this 125, which is slightly bigger. So, but he'll ride this one for a while. Yay, hit the like button. Anything you want to say to like YouTube world?
Yeah.
Go Knights go.
Yeah, go nice go. It's a really nice bike. I like it. It's pretty fast.
Mm-hmm.
Carburetor, you want to change it out, yes. It came with a lot of upgrades.
Yep, it did. You can barely keep up with Dad. But then when Dad hits, second and third and the power band kicks in.
Yeah.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Review of the X Pro Storm Amazon bike.
125.
125cc 4-stroke 2021.